There's a little guy. He's cozy. Just cozy in my little nook here. This is sometimes a daily occurrence, but it's been a while since I had to save a bird. Actually, it was a little chickadee that was not breathing. His head was already cocked to the side, and I picked him up and did instant Reiki, and he woke up. He actually didn't just wake up. He came to, as far as I'd like to say. His heartbeat got sparked by me picking him up, possibly. But I'm hoping he'll be alright before the sun goes down. Otherwise, he'll be spending the night with me inside.